Hi there, Mark Wright here from the virtual offices of Inca One Gold Corp. I'm joined, as usual today, by our President and CEO, Mr. Ed Kelly. Thank you for joining us, Ed.
Thanks, Mark. Good to be here again with you all.
And today we're here to chat about a press release that just went out a couple of days ago about our really quite strong revenue numbers for Q1 2021. I think it's important to point out here that we're really talking about calendar 2021 as opposed to fiscal 2021, just for clarity. And then really, it's a different way that we would usually report, but I think a fair one, because this really compares numbers prior to the lockdown in Peru at the start of the pandemic. So Q1 2020 was actually quite a strong quarter because we were making sure we liquidated a lot of the material that we'd accumulated prior to the lockdown going into full effect. And really remarkable numbers, Ed. 8% increase year over year and our second best quarter of all time. Let's chat a little bit about that.
Yeah, calendar Q1 2021 was a relatively strong. We had a really good start to the season before the rainy season hit in February, but overall 8% up over 2020, and revenue fairly strong there of about 8.3 million US. So it's our second best Q1 in the company's history, and we look forward to building on that now that we've got our gold prepayment facility, which we locked up right at the very end. I think March 26th, we got the funding, and we were able to deploy that out through April up until just last week. It's been fully deployed now, and we're looking forward to some of the month-over-month numbers coming forward here from that.
Absolutely, and I think important to point out as well that obviously we've had some strong gold price, which has helped matters as well. But I think we've really seen some great delivery numbers coming in. So we've been able to, as you say, fully deploy the gold prepayment facility and buy a lot of mineral. We've also increased the grade of a lot of the mineral coming in as well. It's given us the ability to buy some very competitive high grade mineral from up in the north of the country. And we've seen some great footage of trucks coming down loaded for bear, 35 tons each of some real nice material, 2+ ounces per ton, which I know from a lot of the heap leach type programs, you're not used to seeing mineral 60-gram plus type mineral coming for us to process. So that's great to see. That ties up a lot of money, and we've been able to fully deploy that gold prepayment facility and get a lot of great quality, high grade mineral going through the plants.
Yeah, absolutely. And this is what we've got. It's coming from all the different regions that we've got buyers in. We've got about over 22 buyers located in about 6 different regions throughout Peru. So typically the lower grade, mid-grade materials coming from those regions, and then the higher grade coming from the north. So it's a good mix, and we'll look forward to seeing how those numbers come out here.
I think it's a testament to the great job our collection team have been doing through these real tough times with travel restrictions and all the rest of it, to really foster those relationships with the mining communities and build those bonds and help them through some of the tougher times. That those relationships are really bearing fruit now, and we've got a great flow of quality mineral coming in from a very wide variety of different locations all around the country. So really spreads that mining risk that we don't expose ourselves to in the sector that we're in here. So we're going to be reporting, I think, moving forward on a month-over-month basis, just so we can really sort of see how the flow of deliveries is increasing as we continue to be able to rotate this prepayment facility and continue to deploy it out in the field with quality mineral and really bear fruit.
Yeah, I think going forward here for the short term anyway, until we get through a couple of months here, a few months, as everybody knows, last year about this time, COVID was in full force and our production was limited. So comparing those numbers, year over year probably aren't really relevant because they're going to show a huge increase percentage wise. But on a month over month basis here, we'll be able to show kind of our results, especially with the gold prepayment facility now fully deployed.
That's fantastic. So summary, a great bounce back, record, near record Q1 performance, great foundation moving forward, and prepayment facility being fully deployed and rotated successfully. So kudos to the team, and long may it continue. Great job, guys.
Thanks. Good being with you today, Mark.